We'd like to share with you the different programs that we have at Collision Career Institute. This is our catalog, and in the catalog, the very top listing is each of the programs that we have. Each one is a different domain of learning, whether it's basic skills, where it's a combination of minor body technician skills as well as painter skills, mostly for preppers. And then we have a full technician program that takes you from soup to nuts in the entire program, but just for technicians. A similar program, but just for painters. And then we have one also for estimators or damage appraisers. So we're going to do a little deeper dive into each one of these so you kind of get a quick overview of what they're about. So in the Tech Basic Skills program, this is a great spot for somebody entering into the industry. They don't necessarily know if they want to be a technician, doing body repair, changing panels, learning to weld, or if they want to be on the painter side where they are taking it from the body tech and finishing all that work and detailing and finishing and painting the entire vehicle. These are two totally different domains in today's world, but they are somewhat blended together in this program to give them a better overview of some of the simple skills. So it includes body trim and minor repairs, where they learn how to fix small dents in steel panels and aluminum panels. They also learn how to do plastic repair, both adhesive repair and welded repair. They also move into the area of corrosion protection, learning how to apply seam sealers and help their trainer in many different ways to help keep them on track with getting cars delivered out of the shop. The other aspects that this gets into is dealing with replacing parts. So whether they're panels or whether they're individual bolt-on parts, or prepping for door skins and learning to replace door skins, replacing parts is a part of this program. Then it shifts gears a bit and moves into the paint prep area. So sanding and paint preparation comes next, where they take the work from a technician and they learn how to feather edge, block, prime, check it for flaws, mix and apply the primers, and get it ready for block sanding and finish prep for paint. Then the next category is also in the paint area, but it's dealing with detailing. So color sanding and buffing, denibbing and rubbing, detailing the inside of a car, making it totally prepared for delivery to a customer. This program, when you buy it as a complete program or block, you also get the two boot camps. A boot camp is one for technicians, whether it's painter or body tech. They go through their own boot camp that kind of gets them ready for integrating into the shop. So anywhere from a 4 to 8 week program that takes them through job shadowing 6 different positions in the shop, and then also helps them working half their day with each of their trainers. It gives them a good overview of how the shop operates and how they help customers get the best quality and satisfaction out of the work they get done. At the same time that the trainees are going through their boot camp, trainers have their boot camp. So a trainer would be like a mentor for an apprentice in a program. And so they're not learning the technical skills of the trade, they already know that. What they're learning is something that they probably weren't ever taught, and that is how to teach others their skills. And so that's what this boot camp is about. So they both go through their own boot camp at the same time, and each one is learning the aspects of their particular job. And for the trainer's part, it's to learn how to transfer their skills to the next generation.